Making connections, mastering collocations in planning and arrangements. Hello, English learners. Welcome to today's video where we will delve into the world of collocations. Today's topic will be making plans and arrangements. We'll be examining and understanding the various phrases and combinations of words that are commonly used in English when planning and arranging events. These are often known as collocations. Knowing them can make your spoken English sound more natural and fluent. The first step to understanding collocations and planning and arranging events is to recognize how certain words tend to group together. For instance, we say we make a plan and not do a plan. We also say we change plans, not switch plans. These combinations may seem small, but they make a huge difference in the fluency of your English. Next, let's look at some common collocations used when making plans and arrangements. These include phrases like arrange a meeting, cancel plans, confirm details, postpone an event, set a date. Remember, these collocations are commonly used in both formal and informal English. Now, let's see these collocations in action within sentences. Arrange a meeting. We need to arrange a meeting to discuss our strategy. Cancel plans. Due to the storm, we had to cancel our plans. Confirm details. Can you please confirm the details of the event? Postpone an event. The concert has been postponed due to the singer's illness. Set a date. Have they set a date for the wedding yet? Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering collocations. So, try to use these phrases in your everyday conversations and writing, and you'll soon find your English sounding more natural and fluent. Thanks for joining us in this video. We hope it has been helpful in your journey to mastering English. Stay tuned for more on collocations in our next videos. Happy learning!